Hi friends, I hope you are fine and I am also fine. Today I'm going to introduce you my secret project. His name is Carseway Network. So one product with different core components like multiple chain crypto wallet, privacy chat, decentralized exchange, audio launchpad, VPN and airdrops. So audio launchpad and VPN airdrops will be launched soon, okay? And if you want to buy, you can buy it. So pre-sales already has started, okay? You can check its pre-sale allocations. Okay, so if you want to buy, the price of per token is 0.018 qua. Okay, you can, so it's same like a trust wallet. Okay, so you can check it if you want to purchase limit minimum to maximum 0.1 to 0.5 Ethereum. If you are in BTC, you should have 0.1 to 0.3 BTC. So minimum you require 0.1 BTC, 0.01 BTC. Okay, and if you are in USD, you need required 200 2000 USD. So first of all, you need to just click on pre-sale now. Okay, if you click on pre-sale, if you are interested in investment, if you want to purchase token, so you first need to register. Okay, so just click on register button and such page will be open. So here you need to fill your personal detail like first name, last name, email, confirm email, user password, confirm password, your phone number and telegram. Then you need to do your KYC. So you need to upload your national ID card with photo. Okay, and here you need to upload file. Okay, and also if you have any question, you can watch this video. You will know how to upload your ID card and postcode and address. Then click on I agree and just click on submit. Okay, and so where if you want to download wallet, just click on, just go to Play Store. Okay, and just click on this link. The wallet will be open. You can download it from Play Store. So it's provide you multiple crypto chain wallet. Okay, and you can check it. So if you can watch video, you will know how it's work. Okay, so you can check its reviews. So reviews very good. So 4.9% rating. The app is okay and calculation and hope chatting will be also nice. Okay, you can create different groups and chatting with friends on this wallet. Okay. So so you can check its smart contract, okay, if you want. So just open this link and you can check its smart contract already verified. So you can check it's a sold token almost 53% token sold. Okay, so you can if you can watch video and you will know about this platform. So if you want to check it's the main features, so main feature is very good and it's port wallet. So you can, here you can download its wallet. Okay, so multiple cryptocurrency wallet solution which enable the user using Carseway interface to safely manage and send. So you can receive up to 9,000 cryptocurrencies. Okay, and here you can exchange different currencies. Okay, it's also provide you a decentralized cryptocurrency swapping platform. The exchange which allow for directly peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transaction. You can do peer-to-peer transaction very easily, and also you can do it's 100% privacy chat. You don't need your phone number required, any kind of email required, without any no contact access. You can do it's a very secure and very easily you can do it's a private chat with self-destruct. Okay, and if I scroll down, you can check it's a VPN plus browser. Okay, permissionless service, fast speed encrypted connections, stay safe and private while accessing international market. So it's coming very soon. VPN plus browser and the launchpad will also uh, very soon. High level transparency and multiple chain compatibility. I get early access to the latest upcoming cryptocurrency projects. So you can get access very early. Okay. So about the cryptocurrency projects. Okay, if you want to take part in IDEO, so on Launchpad on Carseway network, you can take part. Okay, it will be coming very soon. You can check it's a airdrop. Okay, instant notification and clean interface. You can loyalty is reward. Okay, if you hold this token, you will get different kind of reward as a drop. Okay, so you can check its interface. Interface looking very good. You can check its Carsway, and you can check. So first of all, you need to write down secret phrase. Okay, same like trust wallet. Okay, so your wallet will be created, but many more options are available. So it's better than trust wallet. You can here exchange different currencies. So you can also do it on trust wallet. But here you can do chatting on trust wallet. You can't do any kind of chatting. Okay. So what is Carsway Network? So you can read it. The core components of this project is multiple crypto wallet, exchange, IDO, launchpad. Okay, so Carsway does not hold and will never ask you for information about your any kind of assets that you provide private key. So private key is your bank. Okay, so you don't need to share your private keys with anybody. If you share your private key, your wallet will be hacked. Okay, so don't share. So it's your personal keys. Okay, so you can check its ISU information, and you can check it's also pending, so it's just in preset stage. If you want to take part, you can take part it. So other phase will be announced on the price of one token will be 0.08 in stage 4. Okay, and you can check it's a token allocation if you want to check. Seed round 2.2 private sales. Okay, public sale, liquidity, team, marketing. So you can check it's a different allocations. Okay. So you can check it's a token detail. The token name is Carsway. It's running on Ethereum blockchain. You can check it's a maximum supply and symbol. Okay, if I scroll down, you can watch this video. Okay, so you can check it's a roadmap in quarter 2020 creation of the idea of Carsway networks. So in 2020, they developed Carsway begins architectures, white papers, so design token economics, and design market strategy. Okay. In quarter two, creating Carsway tokens, encryption Carsway networks, registering Carsway TM, developing start Carsway webs and Android version, start developing and marketing community building. Okay. In quarter three, you can check it's a testnet beta Carsway wallet, ICO planning, mainnet beta Carsway wallet, ICO private sale development, web socket for Carsway chat. So you can check it's a quarter four develop bridge between Ethereum and PSC network, adding custom token for Ethereum network in core. So it's looking very fantastic. Okay, you can check it's a different team member. You can check it's a founder. It's a scenic graphic design. Okay, Alexandru Petri. You can check it's Madelina. Okay, you can check it Victor Question. So you can check it's a different members of team. You can also check, you can read different articles about this project. And if you want to check it, so be a constant member of Carsway family, loyalty, and reward program, crowd wisdom, reward mechanism. You can check its different partners, investing.com, TokePi, and crypto documents. And you can check its rating. Its rating is 8.5. It's looking very good. Or you can check its 8.3 rating, and it's already verified. Okay, and you can check its Carsway Network is a completely suite of solution platform focused on providing the users with full privacy. The core element, you can check it's a core element. Okay, if you want to get more information, you can read its a white paper. Here you can check its audit. Okay, so you can check its different audit. Okay, and project looking very good. If you want to do investment, and do your own research before any kind of investment. I am not a financial advisor. Project looking good, but first do your own research before investing, because I am not your financial advisor and I am not responsible for your any kind of loss or profit. Take care, goodbye, and have a fun.